so good.
Good morning guys, welcome to another day. I am Matseth and hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Having a nice easy recovery ride with the moving crew. Srinath in the front is teaching us how to maintain a double line today, as these guys are new into cycling. So Srinath,
Yeah,
tell us about pace lining.
baselining.
Because you were making these kids maintain double line.
Yeah, because usually there is no traffic. That's why we keep double line. Then we can guide them properly. If they are behind us, we can't see them, and if they are in front of us, we can't say anything. They don't understand. That's why we are keeping double line mostly this place. And if we are going in a fast ride and the experienced riders are there, then we keep only single line and left side.
So guys, that was Srinath telling us about double line. So if you have kids around riding with you, please do maintain double line. It'll be easier to maintain pace and see what your kids are. You guys just stopped to adjust Samara's disc brake as it was making some music.
Like in moose.
Like mine, how it was doing yesterday, but still mine is not fixed. Now we're just going to ride towards golf course and do some easy riding there and probably doing a stretching session.
As important as cycling, we have to do some other exercise also. Sit-ups, push-ups, lunges, and some stretches. These are the basics one.
So Srinath is just giving us some stretching and strength training for cycling or any other sport. And if you guys do this at home, you can be more
Now we
flexible
did,
and more stronger.
Sport. This base is important for any sports. And stretching. Stretching is basically not like this and this. Okay, slowly. Because there are some other important things in our body. We can't break it. That's why first thing, neck is important, because for cyclists we are holding our neck for a while, this part and losing this part. For that, like, dirty hand. Slowly. Hip and hamstrings. And in your back. Basically everyone do. When we are kid, everyone challenge. Touch the ground without bending your knees.
So we guys just finished our stretching and strength training, and you guys can also try this stretching and strength training at home, as it is very beneficial to any sport or even people who sit on the computer for a long period of time, as it strengthens your whole body and gives a better posture. Back home. I hope you guys enjoyed the small little tips about stretching and strength training. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay bright, take care.